What the fuck is up? Let's hop on these charts. Okay, yeah. As you can see, on UCAD, well, before we get into that, let's check in. What time is it? It is 1:06 p.m. on Tuesday, October 9th. Word up, word up, word up. Well, as you can see, we are in profit on our UCAD sell. Price went a little bit higher than what I was anticipating. But that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Price just went up and retested that minor zone we had drawn earlier from right here. Which zone was this? Our 1.3 zone. Price went up and retested the 1.300 before deciding to drop down just like we wanted it to. And so at this point, we're looking for, we're getting a tiny bit of a reversal. So we are looking for, I was originally looking for a retest of this area, but I think price might go a little bit beyond it. So we're looking for a retest of about the 1.29700 right here. About this level right here. Why are we looking for this level? Because when price gets around here, we are looking to scale in another trade. Same target, 1.2925. And anything else? No. Hold on, let's before we do that, let's scope it out. See what it'll look like. We would have our stop at the 1299 actually. 12525. We're looking for the, I don't know why that happens. 1.297. And our stop would be the 1.299. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks good. I like the way that trade looks. Okay, so yeah. We're going to be looking at two levels actually. The 61.8 because that's the sacred blah 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 blase blah golden ratio. That's the area that like price normally retraces to. However, we've seen a bit more turbulence in recent price right here at the 1.29700. So we'll be watching these two levels. I'm expecting an M to form just like we got this M. So we're watching for an M to form between the 1.29700 and the 1.2978. So about a little 10 pip window for price to enter into. And we will enter short again for the 1.2925. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Shit, price just might. We're always open to the possibility that price would just shoot downwards, shoot upwards. We are diligent and vigilant with what we're doing. With this trade, I'm gonna wait for price to make a lower high before I move my stop loss to break even. But until then, I feel like it might be safe for me to move my stop loss to from the 1.301 to the 1.300. Now let's check out Oz Yen. Good old Oz Yen played me like a fucking flute all day yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. I haven't even checked up on this pair all day, but all I had to do was have my stop right here, below the lower low, below the lowest low. Yeah, I have my stop right here, below the lowest low. The risk-reward ratio would have been a little bit ugly, but guess what? I would have been in profit. And additionally, what I learned yesterday is that when I draw my fibs, I'm not going to draw it from this little poopy higher low. I'm going to draw it from the lowest low up to here. In all honesty, I would have been looking for an entry around the same spot, like the 79.95, around the 80 point whatever. So I'm not too upset. Let's see, it was, all right, yeah. So this is how we had the trade. Low key, we've just broken this neckline on our head and shoulders pattern. So technically, price will retest here and we can enter long. The risk-reward ratio will be trash. It will be ass. Look at this. With the risk right here, we're already at a shitty ratio. Excuse me. So we might just have to watch this play out. But yeah, in case you're wondering, neckline of what? Of our head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Yeah, so here's the neckline. So this is how you measure how much further up you can expect the price to go. Oh, so about the 80.616. Let's take that measurement again. Actually, it would be exactly a 1.1, a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Would it be? It would be a little bit less. Yeah, it's a little bit less than a 1-to-1. So I'm just let price run up to this 80.5. Bastard. I'm all bitter and shit. But not really. And you know what? Let's take a look at this on the daily chart. I feel like price has been in the same fucking spot. We might be getting a bullish doji candle on the daily chart. Let's count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've had hardly any actual movement on it over the past 24 hours. Yeah, look at this. We're getting a reversal pattern on the daily. A reversal to where? In my opinion, if price were to reverse, it would retest this 81.6 zone. So, I mean, shit. I could have a sloppy ass entry with this 81.6 zone as my target, and we would have a much more comfy risk reward ratio. However, we're not going to do that. I'm not going to go for all that. That's too much guts for not enough glory. But I mean, as I was saying, that makes me a lot more confident with allowing price to retest this 80.2 zone and then entering long with the 81.5, 81.6-ish area as my target and the 79.7 as my protection level. Does that look good? It looks good to me. I'm not gonna force it though. I mean, I'm in profit on AJ. I mean on UCAD, so there's no need to rush anything, to force anything, to do anything outside what we need. Let's check out this daily candle. Ooh, whoa, Wick City, my friend. Lord. Lord have mercy in the highest heavens. So it looks like we are actually headed for our 1.277 zone. And if we were to enter long, I mean short, we would allow price to break through this 1.2900 zone. Or we would allow price to break below the 1.2900 area. And what would we do then? We would enter short with the 1.275 as our target. Nice little psychological number, as they call it. We would enter at the 1.29. 1.29? No. 1.29. Let's say 15. 1.2915 with the 1.29. Let's do the 1.293 as our protection. Ah, that's tight. I guess 15 pip stop is like, I'm cool with that shit, but let's try a 25 pip stop. That's about good enough room to breathe. So yeah, according to the daily, we are looking for, on UCAD, according to the daily, we're looking at the 1.277, 1.275 area of support as our target. Should we enter on a break below the 1.2900? Yeah. So yeah. Yes. Should we enter on a break below the 1.2925, 1.2900 level? We're looking at the 1.275 as our target with the 1.294 as our protection level. On AJ, according to the daily, should we enter right here at the, what is it? The 80.15, we'll call it. Should we enter long at the 80.15, we will be looking at the 81.585. Fuck you. I'll do the 81.6. We'll be looking at the 81.6 as our profit level and the 79.75 as our protection level. Yeah, that looks good to me. So yeah, that's what we're looking for today over the course of the week, in all honesty. And until then, let us continue to be great. Let's live great lives. That's all we really can do. Peace out.